Today, we're diving into how you might get Adobe After Effects on your PC, completely free. Firstly, let's look at the most straightforward legitimate option, the free trial. Head over to the Adobe website and look for the free trial button. This allows you to use the full version of the software for a limited time. Usually 7 days. Click the button and follow the prompts to download the application. Next, let's explore other websites claiming access to After Effects. Be cautious, as downloading software from untrusted sources can be risky. Some websites may offer free versions, often labeled as cracked or pre-activated. If you explore these options, be extra careful about where you download and what you're downloading, and be prepared for potential consequences. Now that you have your chosen After Effects version, you'll need to install it. This process usually involves opening the downloaded file, following the installation wizard, and deciding where to save the software's files. Be sure to close other applications to make the process faster. Once installed, launch After Effects. If you use the free trial, you'll likely need to sign in with your Adobe account. If you've sought out alternative methods, you might need to follow separate activation steps. Now you are ready to create awesome visual effects. Remember, how you obtain the software is entirely your choice. Good luck, and happy creating.